Hello everyone, welcome to Sneha videos. In this video we are going to learn what are co-primes and what are twin primes. Okay, and what is the difference between co-prime numbers and twin prime numbers. So co-prime numbers are also called as relatively prime numbers. Okay, so before going to the topic, I'll tell you one thing. You should be perfect with the prime numbers. Okay, what are prime numbers? Because these co-primes or relative prime numbers are related to this prime numbers topic, and you should be perfect with what are factors. Okay, what are prime numbers, what are composite numbers, and what are factors. Okay, so this factors topic, this factors term is very important in finding the composite and prime numbers, and as well as to identify the co-prime numbers. Okay, so for this follow the link given in the description so that you can easily understand these co-primes are relatively prime numbers. So let us go to the topic now. Here, suppose I gave an example, children. Co-primes, the name itself is telling co means when it is mingled, when it is combined with other one. When one thing is combined with other one. Suppose co-education. We know that co-education means girls and boys. Right? Means if one thing is mingled with another one, then the terminology is called as co. Okay, so here co-primes means, let me take one example like 3 and 13. Okay, so find out the factors for 3 and find out the factors for 13. This is very important. The factors, how to find out the factors, what are factors, this is very important. Okay, so 1 and 3 are the factors of 3 because 1 and the number itself are factors of every number, and 1 and 13 are the factors of 13. Apart from this, these two numbers are not having more than these factors. Okay, so here if you see, the common thing is 1 from both the things. From both the factors of this 3 and 13, the common one is 1. Okay, if for this pair, if for any pair, if 1 is a common factor, then such type of numbers are called as co-prime numbers. Okay, let me take one more example. No need to take only the prime numbers. You can take composite numbers also. Suppose let me take 4 and 9. Both are composite numbers only. Right? Because both are having more than 2 factors. Okay. The factors of 4 are 1, 4 and 2. Okay. 9 factors are 1, 9 and it goes in 3 table also. Okay. You can take prime numbers, you can take both even composite numbers. You can take one prime number with one composite number also. Here if you see properly, here the common factor between these 4 and 9 is only 1. So if you have only 1 as a common factor for any pair, then such type of numbers are called as co-prime numbers. Okay, so let us go to the definition. The numbers which have only 1 as a common factor. 1 as a common factor. Factor. First find out the factors of the given numbers, and from them if 1 is the only common thing, then such type of numbers are called co-prime numbers. Okay, so only 2 primes are co-primes, but all co-primes need not be primes. Okay, just now we took one example that 4 and 9 are co-primes, but they are not prime numbers. Co-primes are not prime numbers, but prime numbers are co-prime numbers. These two are prime numbers. They are also co-prime numbers. Any two prime numbers, suppose if I take 5 and 17, these two prime numbers are always the co-prime numbers. But the co-prime numbers need not be prime numbers. Okay, because the composite numbers, they may be co-prime numbers, but they need not be prime numbers. These two are not prime numbers, but they are co-primes, right? So this is the thing for this point. So let us see the examples. Let us see the examples. 3 and 7, 11 and 19, 4 and 9, 5 and 8. Okay. So if you find out the factors of 3, the factors of 3 are 1 and 3. The factors of 7 are 1 and 7. So if you see properly, the common thing is only 1. So 1 is a common factor. So as 1 is the only common factor, they are co-prime numbers. Okay. Now 11 and 19, both are prime numbers. Here both are prime numbers. We just discussed prime numbers are always co-prime numbers. But co-prime numbers may or may not be prime numbers. Sometimes they may be prime numbers. Sometimes they may not be prime numbers. Okay. Here I took both prime numbers. So it will have only one as a common factor. So they are co-prime numbers. Okay. But here I took two composite numbers only. But I told when two composite numbers, if you find the factors, here one is a common factor. Only one is a common factor. But as one is the only common factor, they are co-prime numbers. But I told co-prime numbers may or may not be prime numbers. Here they are composite, right? They are not prime numbers. Means co-prime numbers may or may not be prime numbers. Here I took one prime number and I took one composite number. Okay. So 1 and 5. Here 1, 2, 4 and 8. Okay. The only common factor is 1. So they are co-prime numbers. So co-prime numbers means first you should find out the factors of the two numbers, and if one is a common factor between these two numbers, then they are co-prime numbers. Okay. So let us go to the next slide. Twin primes. Okay. Twin primes means always here you should see only the prime numbers. In co-prime numbers, you can see two prime numbers. You can see one prime number, one composite number, and you can take both composite numbers also. But here twin primes means you should take only the prime numbers. Okay. Suppose twin means two things. Right? Twin children. Right? Like that. Two things. If the two prime numbers, I told in twin primes you should always take two prime numbers only. If the difference means always from big number you should subtract the small number. If the difference between these two prime numbers is 2, then such type of numbers are called as twin prime numbers. Means twin primes always take prime numbers only and find the difference between the two prime numbers. If you get 2 as your answer, then those two numbers are called as twin prime numbers. Okay, the statement is prime numbers that differ from each other by 2 are called as twin primes. Means the difference should be 2. Okay, all twin primes are co-primes. All twin primes are co-primes. Why? Because I told for twin primes you should always take prime numbers only. Just now we discussed all prime numbers are co-primes, right? All prime numbers are co-primes. But co-primes may or may not be prime numbers. Okay, but all prime numbers are co-primes. So twin primes are prime numbers. Twin primes are prime numbers and all prime numbers are co-prime numbers. Clear? So let us take the examples. So twin primes means the difference between the two prime numbers should be 2. Okay, so let us take the examples. 3 and 5. Here if you subtract these two prime numbers, your difference will be 2. Okay, 5 and 7, the difference between 5 and 7 is 2 because 7 minus 5 equal to 2. Here these two are prime numbers, compulsory they should be prime numbers. So 13 minus 11 equal to 2. Okay, here also two prime numbers, 43 minus 41 equal to 2. Okay, so first you should take two prime numbers in such a way that the difference should be only 2. Okay, you cannot take like this 13, 17 because 17 minus 13 is 4. Right, but here your difference should be 2 only, but here it is 4, so it is not, these two are not twin primes. Okay, clear? So take some more examples and find out what are twin prime numbers, what are co-prime numbers. Check whether all co-primes are primes or not, or all primes are co-primes or not. Okay, So I hope you understood this video. If you understand, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.